Yeah. So David is here. David Tastefood is here. Yeah, guys. So you know, from you see look a push. Then you must know say about in a country me there. You see it. Yeah, man. So right now, I'm come at the country because you know, so the storm pass and thing, and you know, so the breadfruit them ripe up on the tree and all a drop. Yeah, man. So owner ripe. Some roasting thing I go on today. So I'm here today. So instead of care about my breadfruit, go home. I go roast some breadfruit. Yeah, man, I go teach some people how to roast breadfruit, man. Yeah, and I go show them how we do the roasting thing. You know, so some people put breadfruit on the stove. Some people put it in the oven. I don't really like it that way. I like when my breadfruit is on the coal or the look of wood fire. So I'm going to show you how I go on today. So I'm going to climb a tree. Last video I tell you so I don't want to climb a jelly tree. I about a bit of video I said if you don't come out a jelly tree because I sleep and I slide. So today now is a fat breadfruit tree in the area. So I show you how I go on, man. Yeah, man, fat breadfruit tree in the area. So I'm going to show the tree I'm going to climb and get some breadfruit. Yeah, man. So this is a breadfruit tree, guys. Yeah, man, I literally pick one already, you know. Pick one already. See it right here? Right here. Pick one already. And I'm going to do the thing right there. Yeah, man, I'm going to show you how we light fire and thing, you know. Yep. Show you light fire and thing. So, this is a big old tree that I'm going to climb. See it? See it right there? Yes, I'm going up there. Breadfruit up there. Yes. So, I'm going to show you guys. You know, I'm not going inside to do nothing, you know. I'm not going inside to do anything at all. I'm going to stay right out here and roast my breadfruit and also fry some breadfruit. So I get up some little food right here already. Yeah, man, I make sure I get up with them already, you know. I think I need some more. So Jamaican Tastefood is here. Yeah. So, man, so a different flex I go on today, man. Different flex. We're going to climb the tree. We're going to climb the tree and eat some breadfruit. Yes, I climb the tree. Yeah, guys, so I am going up there today, right? So I'll be back with you guys when I climb the tree. Soon show you what I'm doing. taste but can't climb, I'm gonna climb. Okay. Alright. This is the stick. I'm going up there.
Daddy.
Alright. So I need me some more breadfruit. You gotta come near. Watch me about that. Now stay right there. Yes, sir. Pretty sure someone that drop. See me right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're amongst all the breadfruit for Alright.
Dada, don't turn the roof up.
Yes. Alright, let's find a good spot to catch now. About it, little in the breadfruit tree, mango tree. Looking at that, you see? Yeah, so I'm here to climb the tree. In the tree. Alright. I'm gonna pick me some breadfruit. Now watch your head, guys. Watch your head. Fruit here. You have to look for the one in that food. Look for the food there. Can't see none from where you at? No, put on the breadfruit. Put it down, manager. Take him, put it down.
Put it down, Papa.
Mind the steam by him high. Like, move from what the Hey, move from under the tree. Okay. Alright, so this is what you do. Alright, we make an X. Put an X in the top. Put an X in the top right here. I don't know why they put X in the well, I guess it's the steam to come out of it, because what I'm going to do now is push the knife straight down in it and draw it out like this. Okay, so you cut out here, cut out the stem. Step out the stem. Put the eggs in the breadfruit like this. Yep, so the steam come out of, you know, when it have roast, the steam come through the little eggs right there. So you shoot the knife down in it like this. You got to shoot the knife down in it. Yeah. This is the only big one I found. But everything here can roast though. Everything right here can roast. Yeah guys, so remember to cut out the stem. Cut out the stem like this. Put the eggs like this. Yeah guys. Well, I push the knife straight down. Yeah. Also can wring it out. Hey, my chop off the thing. My drop off, you got too close. So this is the eggs right here. Yes, that's the eggs. And you push the knife straight down in here. Well, I should cut it out. And push the knife down in it. And dry it back out. There you go. So this is a real authentic style. So I'm going to light the fire right now. Yep. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna catch the fire right here. Alright. More. Oh, yeah, run go. We're going to eat in something. We are breadfruit are running away more. Breadfruit are run. So this is the outside flex, you understand? This is the yard flex. The country vibes. Country vibes. So guys, after I light the fire and everything, I'm going to show you what's taking place, alright? Yep. Yeah, we're gonna get the breadfruit. Pause it. Pause the video. Take time, press it, my drop. Yeah. Light up the breadfruit here now. See me? Can see me now? Green.
Sure, clean man.
Keep the paper, you know, instead of use that look of brum, you use paper, keep the fire blazing to catch the wood, yeah? So you just keep putting paper to it. Some people use plastic, some people use sponge, some people use kerosene, but I use paper. Yes, I use paper. So like I said guys, this is a real authentic way of roasting your breadfruit. I don't like roast breadfruit on stove, nor even bake. I like it, you know, the real Jamaican way, the little wood fire thing. I love it. It have a different taste when you use it, when you put it on the stove, and also when you bake it. It tastes totally different than what I'm doing right now, or how I'm going to prepare it. Yeah, man. So, you know much for one of this breadfruit? One of this breadfruit is $0.99, free from off my tree. But if you go downtown, this is about like for like about 3 bills, 350, $400.
I want it,
But for
Daddy.
now, this is $0.99 at my tree. $0.99. Free.
I want the
Yeah, man. So guys, I have one of my friends come to a breadfruit now, but I don't yet. You come too early. I'm gonna make you see, you know. You can come here video, man. Come here video, man. See bro there, so you come too early. Yeah. Yeah, man. This year come early, boss. Alright, boss. Alright, so me when I want to say breadfruit and one now. We could have look about breadfruit now. You can give me an idea? Breadfruit and what?
Breadfruit.
Nobody say saltfish and ackee, something else.
What are the, that is right.
Breadfruit can go with anything. So what do you think we're going on with it? Anything you can go with.
Can go with chicken back too.
Oh yeah, say man, chicken back, great. Great. But we want something easy.
Some easy.
I think I'm gonna go for franks. What about franks?
Mackerel.
Franks and mackerel. Well, never fix up right just
Franks
say-
and mackerel together.
Right, that's something I do. You hear me say franks and mackerel. Good one that. Never try
They
that.
didn't even make that for the boy them now.
Franks and mackerel.
What?
What?
Mash
I love
it up, man.
Alright, so guys,
Mash it.
I'm gonna put the breadfruit on the fire right now. Here you go. See one there. Two.
The fire go there.
Now. Three. As long as it's smoke, it now good. Wow, the next one, like this.
Yeah.
Don't try hide, no, boy. Don't try hide.
Look inside.
Alright, let's put you right here. Right here. Just like that. Now, open.
Yeah, I see, man. It light up.
So, like I said, guys, I was thinking about saltfish and bean, but my friend just said, yo, franks and mackerel. So, I gotta fix up that.
Breadfruit and saltfish too expected.
Saltfish and breadfruit, you say?
With mackerel and...
Expensive.
No, it expected.
Oh, so I'm gonna do something half of it.
Show them off, yeah?
Alright, so we're gonna do everything right here, so no. Country vibes, you know, right here, so ready. Yeah, man. See it right here. Easy. Yeah, man. Easy. Easy. Great old wood. Yeah, man. Great old wood.
Don't make a nice here. No nice.
So guys, I'll be right back with you when I'm almost finished. I get the finishing touch. Great. over there on the breadfruit chest. Go and look on the breadfruit chest. Tell me if everything alright. Yeah, go and look on it. Look on the breadfruit chest. Alright, chest. Alright, chest. Alright, mind the fire, mind the fire, mind the fire. Now come in. Subscribe. Oh, breadfruit and roast. Yes. Yes, man, breadfruit and roast. Yes, brother. So maybe you wanna know why a lot of person you ask them how breadfruit finish, or you know when breadfruit finish. Well, you have a knife, when it get all black, stick it down inside of it. I'm going to show you. So if it come out with just the steam on it, the knife, you know it done. If you push it down there, you see nothing come out and fit, you know the knife going. How could I explain now? If you stick the knife in the breadfruit, take it out, and the knife looks same as how you put it in, it's not finished. If you stick it down there now and take it out, and you see like a residue on the knife, then the breadfruit is finished. So I'm going to show you guys. So right now there's a lot of residue on this knife, so I'm going to wash it off and then show you how you know when your breadfruit finished. You might dare not using your knife and say, boy, when it's fully black, it finished. No, it's not finished. And you can't make it too over roast because it get tough. You see the size of it now, if it over roast, it gets smaller. Right. So I'm here to teach a lot of you guys who don't know to roast breadfruit, and for those who know to roast breadfruit, you can put it in the description and say if I'm saying foolishness, alright? Yeah. Yes, going on the finishing touch. Yep, you can see my breadfruit coming. Yes, man, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Wow. Yeah, guys, so night come down on me, and as you can see, the breadfruit is finished. Yes, the breadfruit is all finished, and this is how it look when it finished. So you see it black. Yeah, so when it's hard black like this, it's finished. So this is how it finished. And a lot of person know when I'm taking back breadfruit overseas, them scrape it and wrap it in foil. Yeah, man, don't watch this side right here. It's already, it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, if you make it, not because you see it like this, if you try and say, boy, you want to get here black, it might just burn. So it's all good. So it's all good right here. So the fire is literally out. So the heat that left, you know, we call it simmer down. So it actually has simmer down. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I am going to get my mackerel and the franks, and then I'm going to fix it up, and I'm going to peel, and I'm going to heat. Voila! So food is here. The even taste bud is here. Wow. Alright, guys, so this is a pot. No, this is a pot on the fire. Yes, so over here is where I cut up my little onion. See it right here in my aisle. Yeah man, this is a little aisle right here. We do everything outside now. We're not go inside, go do the thing now. We keep it outside. So you don't know. I start outside, I'm gonna finish outside. Yeah man. So we'll share the outside flex. So you throw the aisle in the pot. Nice, not too much oil. So okay, look like the oil get hot. Wow, yeah. You hear that? Oil get hot. Do I get the throat now? Whoa! I'm still under the tree now. What if, you know, one of those little croquet lizards are dropping into the pot? Wow! So, you know, it just come to mind just now, so make me hurry up. Alright, so this is the onion. So like I said guys, I can take it in the inside and finish it on the stove, but I keep everything authentic, the little country style, you know. So, I eat that. Yes. I eat that. You hear the sound? And this is now the franks. So we throw the franks in. So tonight we have breadfruit and franks. So we're now got the saltfish with tonight. We're got the breadfruit and franks with tonight. Nice. So we'll stir him up a little. Stir him up a little. Look from the thing, I go yummy man. Yummy. Yummy. See it done. Yo, I love country, you know, man. Country vibes body, you know, man. Under the tree. You look at me never like a, you know, like an outside kitchen without lights, just the same. I have to use bucket torch. Bucket torch? Yeah man, bucket torch or bucket torch, man. Yeah. So it's bucket torch. So this is it. So not quite finished yet, man. Not quite finished it yet. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pour the mackerel in it, you know. So you can see my little makeshift table right over here. Yes, this is the mackerel. Yes. So it's after a little bit after 6, I got 7, but it get dark. Yeah man, it get dark. So I'm gonna put now the mackerel inside of this. They line up and away from me, you know. I'm not showing them, you know. I'm not showing them at all. But they line up and wait. Alright. Yeah, so I'm going to pour my mackerel inside of this now. Warm to them. Who bad like me? Who bad like me? Taste bud the chef. Yes. There we go. You know, I forgot to bring outside the ketchup. You got to pour some ketchup inside of this. You have to pour some ketchup inside of this. Warm tea, Rockefeller. We're give him. Yeah. Just pour some ketchup inside of this. So it's good. So I heat this now, you know. Look a fire try rise up, but I don't want it burn it up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this inside and I'm going to peel the breadfruit, and when I'm finished, I'm going to show you when I'm consuming my breadfruit with my mackerel and franks. Taste bud style. Wow, look at it. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Yes guys, so this is my finishing touch of my breadfruit. So you have roast and you have fry. Yeah man, so you have a roast one and you have a fry one. Wow, beautiful touch. Yeah. So there we go. So I'm gonna consume my breadfruit. Yeah, so I'm going to eat my breadfruit right now. So this is the night flex, you know. Wow. So guys, so like I said, even taste what is with you right now in the night. Yeah, so the night catch up on me, right? So we're gonna meet in the street again. So I'm gonna have my breadfruit that I prepare. You can see how lovely it is, right? Wow. Whoa. Until I see you again. Peace out. So, all the way in St. Thomas Bush. See you again, guys.